Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making one of the most delicious green pepper sauce. Come with me and let's make this delicious sauce. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's go together. Come guys. Ingredients: we'll be needing our green chili peppers, green pepper or bell pepper, green bell pepper, spring onions, aniseed, shrimps, dawa, onions and ginger. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing. I also have oil for the frying and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. Guys, this method of making your green chili is a must to try. I already put my aniseed, so I'm just pounding on it. And add my shrimps. I also have a video on the vegan one, the yellow pepper sauce with the vegan one, so you can check that video out. But this one has shrimps in it. But if you want the vegan one, check on the channel. I'll go ahead and add my ginger and garlic. Dawa in this green sauce is a must. It gives a lot of flavor and taste to your sauce, and also healthy. I'll go ahead and add my spring onions. We will go ahead and then add our pepper. This sauce is rough, it's not a smooth sauce, guys, and that makes it very unique and tasty. Guys, it's ready just the way we want it. It's very rough, and then we'll go ahead and remove it. The rough texture makes it so unique and delicious, guys. We'll start with our green sauce by pouring our oil in the pan, guys. Oil is ready, so go ahead and add it. We'll add a little bit of salt, and then we'll stir everything in. Our sauce is really perfect, so on a medium heat, you just allow it to cook. Guys, our sauce is looking so delicious. It's almost ready. It doesn't really take much time. I'll go ahead and taste the salt. It's okay, the salt is really perfect. Salt is always to my taste. So guys, just a few minutes I'll go ahead and put it up because our sauce looks delicious. And this sauce you can use to eat anything about any cake. You can even use this sauce to season your fish or any meat if you want it very spicy. I also have the same video, vegetarian one, on the channel with the yellow bell pepper, so you can check that video, yellow sauce out. You can check out that video. Guys, our sauce is ready. It's looking tasty and delicious. So we'll go ahead and serve. Our green sauce is ready. Check out how the oil is loose green. So we are serving. Look, it looks so delicious. This sauce is so delicious. You can use it in any way. Fried rice, jollof, dokono. So our green sauce is ready, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious sauce. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Do adios. Kiss.